8 mistakes you should avoid before sending article to Ezine publishers. Hashtag make your article published. Avoid some mistakes that many article authors did. Sending successful article to Ezine publishers could expose your website to thousands of subscribers, even millions of readers online. However, to do this successful, you must compete with others internet marketers. They also send articles to the same Ezine publishers like yours. The question is, how to make your article stand out of the crowd. Alternatively, your article goes to the trash bin. Here are common mistakes many article authors did. Mistake hashtag 1 Wrong targeted niche market. Many article authors sent their article to the wrong targeted niche market. Send your article to the targeted audience. Do not try to blast your article to all Ezine publishers. For instance, as an Ezine editor, I received many articles not related to internet marketing. Therefore, I'm not published it. Mistake hashtag 2 No subject. You do not write your article headline on your subject email. Many article authors send their article without subject line. Instead of writing new article submission article for your publication, consider new article, 6 mistakes you should avoid before sending article to Ezine publishers. Mistake hashtag 3 Not unique. Your article content is a blatant idea. Topic you write it like the others publishers and not much different. Make your article fresh and unique. Learn something new in your market. Convert what you learned into a unique article. You could write article on topic how-to, tips or anything that come to your mind. Even on article, title how to avoid spam, how to hack hackers back. Mistake hashtag 4 Advertising article. Your article more on promoting your product or affiliate program you join. Writing advertising article only will kill your business online. Give your website info only on your resource box. Give something free like free ebooks, free report, or free download. Make your readers visit your website to receive their free bonus. Mistake hashtag 5 Lack of valuable information. Your article does not educate your targeted audience. People subscribe to Ezine to receive valuable information. If they receive information on topic they do not want, not educate them at all, they will unsubscribe. Therefore, Ezine publishers will not publish your article. Many Ezine publishers provide information as best as they can to their subscribers. Mistake hashtag 6 Spelling problem. There are too many spelling errors on your article. Sending article with too many spelling errors only waste your time. Check your article twice before publishes it. You could use spell checking software. Go to the major search engine and type free spell checking. Most word processor today built in with spelling check. For instance, MS Office can check the misspell words for you with underline red color. Mistake hashtag 7 Without format. Make sure your article format 65 characters per line. Length of your article must between 500 to 750 words. Formatting your article will make for Ezine publisher easy to copy and paste it. You could send your article through MS Outlook Express. Go to Tools menu and click Options. Click Send tab and choose Mail Sending Format to Plain Text. Then click Plain Text Setting tab. Select 65 characters for automatically wrap text when sending email. Mistakes hashtag 8 No personalized message. Personalize your email message with a short cover letter. Personalization your emails are very important because many Ezine publishers receive hundreds of article submission every day. Also, include your article information in your personalized message. Avoiding those mistakes above will make your article successful, published by many Ezine publishers on the net. Good luck.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.